Thank you, David. Yeah, and look forward to seeing the vehicle here at the AWS lab in the Bay Area. That's going to be exciting to see. So, all right, with that, we've completed the member presentations. We want to close up now with final comments from one of our AWF board members. I'll hand it back to Raul for the closing remarks. Raul?
Yeah, thank you, CJ. So on behalf of the board, I would like to give you a big thank you for spending the last 2 hours with us. As you can see, in terms of member growth, Autoware has been growing steadily, adding on new and large commercial partners as well as academic and government partners. You've seen the activity has been very streamlined from the strategic planning committee's view and from the technical committee's view, with work in different working groups. And that has allowed very good engagement with different Autoware partners to keep it very focused and to make sure that the partners get a lot of value in working together with Autoware. From the Center of Excellence side, we've been growing steadily in the last year and a half. We've now crossed 25 universities, and there's been very good engagement across that. And then also from the partner side, you can see, amazing presentation by ADAS Tech, by Pix Moving, from Red Hat, AutoCore, Leo Drive, and also from looking at safety cases. So I think there's a lot of very positive engagement, and we hope to keep this going along. So you've seen many posts in the chat from Summit on staying engaged, taking advantage of the marketing with Autoware Foundation. And so please reach out to us. The team is very dedicated and very sincere in making our mission of open autonomous software real. So thank you very much, everyone.
Thanks, Raul, and thanks again to everyone. Hope you have a great day, and we'll talk again soon.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Bye-bye.
Thanks, everyone.